Welcome to Hello River Drying Tech. Come see our live mango drying project in action. Our industrial mango heat pump dryer combines energy-saving, eco-friendly technology with a 360 rotating air flow. This guarantees that every slice dries evenly, preserving rich color, natural sweetness, and premium texture. Built for food safety and longevity. We use food-grade 316 stainless steel evaporators, highly corrosion-resistant and durable for continuous operation. Better appearance, lower energy costs, and Amakind built to last. That stay Hello River advantage. Visit our project site today.